What is up, guys? Welcome to the most phenomenal. So today we have actually nice news. Let's start with Move Vlogs. So Move Vlogs is even quite fun. He visited a private jet with a billionaire, and that would be a dream for me, really, guys. Now Move Vlogs is going to be like 3.5 million subscribers, and that's pretty insane. He's growing really fast, and in his last video I think the billionaire is his friend. I'm not sure, but it's really amazing private jet, and I'm actually jealous, guys. Yeah, I am. Okay, and our second subject for today is RomanAtwood new backyard. RomanAtwood has a new backyard, and his house is pretty big. I don't know how foot, but he apparently has a new backyard, and some are saying that's because his YouTube money has grown a lot. He gets 3 million per video, and I wish I could do that, but so that's a note for you guys. Subscribe to my channel, and his backyard is pretty huge, and he also has an area for a swimming pool, which is nice. Now, our last subject for today is TANNER Fox and his GTR SPITS 5FT Flames. Now, you all know that TANNER Fox, he has his GTR because of his YouTube money, and that's insane that he could afford such a car. And in his last video, not last, 3 days ago too, he repaired his car, and he actually tried a new engine, I think, if I see in this video, and it actually looks quite cool. But you should be careful not to do crazy stuff, because in the past he broke his leg, I think, so you should really be aware and be careful what you should do with this YouTube money, in my opinion. So that's all today, guys. Those are the hottest news of the couple days. Tell me, what do you guys think in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.